Good morning, dear students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the origin and development of Deccan School of Art. Today, we will be discussing about characteristics of Deccan School of Art. What is the features of Deccan School of Art? What is the qualities of the Deccan School of Art? That number one, color scheme. Brilliant and beautiful colors have been used in Deccan paintings. They are different from the color of northern painting style. Golden color has been used largely in the paintings where architecture is shown and also in the costumes, jewelry, utensils, etc. Number 2. Persian influence. High horizon lavish use of gold color and the landscape, golden sky, some flowering plants all have Persian influence on them. Number 3. Mughal influence. In the later phase, 17th and 18th centuries of Deccan style, Mughal influence was due to migration of several Mughal painters to the Deccan during downfall of the Mughal school of painting. Number 4. Decorative paintings. Deccan paintings were most decorative, especially Hyderabad paintings like the flower beds, costumes, rich and brilliant colors, facial features, etc. Number 5. Bold drawing and shading techniques. Bold drawing, shading techniques, and use of rich, pure, and brilliant color flourished at Tanjore. That's why Deccan School is appreciated. Students, today we have discussed the 5 characteristics of Deccan School of Art. You must learn it with these notes. Thanks, dear students. Take care and stay healthy.